We were one of only 6 companies in the UK to win the award for sustainable development. It was our 3rd Queen's Award win overall, but it is the one that I'm proudest of because I think it's an award that just about everybody across the whole business contributed to. So whether you worked in purchasing and were sourcing sustainable fish, whether you worked in distribution and reduced our fleet miles, if you worked in the factory and helped reduce food waste, if you worked in engineering and reduced our consumption of water, if you were somebody that engaged in one of our charity partnerships, if you baked a cake, if you did a walk, everybody across the entire business contributed in some way to that award win. And that definitely makes me proud.
It's an important part of our business strategy at Appetito to become a truly inclusive organisation, and therefore it's at the heart of everything that we do. We also make sure that at every opportunity we talk to our workforce about becoming a truly diverse and inclusive organisation. Female representation in senior management was an area we specifically set out to improve, and by focusing our attention on this, we've more than doubled the percentage of women in the top 2 levels of management at Appetito. 29% of our executive board of directors are female, and we've narrowed our gender pay gap from 13.2% in 2018 to 10.9% in 2020, and we're really proud of this.
It's important to be a living wage supplier. I suppose it's one of Appetito's good values. It's treating people as you want to be treated. The company's not afraid to share their profits and money with the staff that's built them up over the last few years.
It's important for us to partner with suppliers which are members of the ETI, Ethical Trading Initiative, because it means that the staff that they're working, it ensures that they have good welfare, it ensures that they have a fair rights, fair wage, and it's what we'd expect from anybody that we work with.